Hello guys,
Welcome back to my channel.
enjoy your holiday in Bali. Oh, my sister. My sister, sorry, I just say. Where do you come from?
Australian. Gold
Hey,
Coast.
Kidai, my wow, beautiful beach down there.
This one, my brother.
Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
You look so pretty. And beautiful smile. Woo. You're the cold bintang.
Cold Bintang.
Where do you come from?
From Western Australia.
Kidai, mate. I heard right there it's very cold at the moment. The weather.
Very cold. That's why we're here.
Oh wow, that's good. Good idea. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from? Kidai, mate. So many people go to sport bar to see the competition and things.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Check it out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Padma Bali. Yeah, our journey today start from the Y bar. Yeah, this area, the Y bar. Looks so busy in this area. Yeah, but some loud music for sure I have to talk a lot about, because there is gonna be like copyright. Wow, so busy at the Y bar. Wow, so busy. Wow, really busy inside. That's good. I can imagine. So many people inside down there.
Literally.
G'day, mate. Is it coming now? Wow, it's coming now? Competition?
No, not yet.
What time? What time?
6.
6 o'clock. That's good. So busy, eh?
Yeah.
That's really good. Okay, brother, enjoy the bintang. Yeah, it is really busy down there at Y bar. Okay, guys. Now I will continue walking in Padma area. So busy down there at the Y bar. That's good. This also shopping. Yeah, actually it is quite a bit long time I don't update in this area. It's more than 1 week, but today I will show you how the session at the moment in Padma area. Hello. Yeah, Peter is down shopping down there. That's good. Also in the restaurant, just few tourists down there. The weather today just so beautiful, sunny and so hot. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because that is what people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma area on Padma Utara street, and then I will continue walking on Garlic Line. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Top of Vlog. Yeah, this is poster. Hello. Poster pub. Yeah, quite busy. That's good. Yeah, now we are on Padma Street. So together, how busy in this area today. Hello. How are you? Good day, mate. Did you see that? That's good. Yeah, maybe today is better exploring the station at the moment in Padma area on Padma Utara Street. Start from Y Bar until Padma Street. And at the front, if I turn right, there's the way to go to Garlic Line. Let me show you a little bit how the station right at the moment. Oh, busy. There's so many trucks. Yeah, this is Garlic Line or Sahadewa Street. Looks so busy down there. Yeah, Legian. Future is down there. A lot of kids. See that? Yeah, maybe school holiday now. Hello, welcome to Bali. Good day, mate. Yeah, looks so busy down there. That's good. Even in the restaurant, just Future is down there already. Lobster, fresh one. This is Rama Garden. Rama Garden. Future is on the inside right there. It's good. Future is in the ATM, and also across the street right there, left side, Future is down there. That's good. Quite busy, isn't it? Oh, this is new buildings coming up. I'm not sure where they're gonna be made. Maybe a restaurant, maybe cafe, we're not sure. So many new construction at the moment in Bali. That's good. It means like economic will be growing up and growing up step by step in Bali. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. Now we are on Padma Street. Actually, I gotta say, like in this area also there is a lot souvenir shop and some hotel. Yeah, Future is right side. They are doing shopping down there. That's good. And left side there is hotel, the Legian. Also look nice hotel down there. Another new construction. So many new construction at the moment in Padma area. Even the street is so small, but there is a lot new construction at the moment in Padma Bali. Yeah, I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Padma area. Left side, also a few trees down there. This is quite busy down there, isn't it? It's good. Also left side. Soccer competition will starting on 6 p.m. today. Tama ke? Yeah, this is Momo's Cafe and Bar. Let's see how busy down there today. Quite busy, that's good. Rame. Rame. Hi, brother. They look so happy. Hello, Hidai, Mike. Hello, welcome to Bali. Enjoy the cold bintang.
Cold Bintang.
Where do you come from?
From Western Australia.
Hidai, Mike. I heard right there it's very cold at the moment. The weather.
Very cold. That's why we're here.
Oh wow, that's good. Good idea. So far it's a beautiful day here in Bali. Yeah, so sunny, eh? Okay, have enjoy your.
What's that you're holding?
Sorry, say again?
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah, I just make YouTube about update session in Bali.
Oh, we're going to be on YouTube. Don't put us on YouTube. You won't make any money.
It's just like update session in Bali. So run Bali. Okay then. Have a good day. Bye bye. Yeah, they come from Perth, Australia. La Karma Spa. Okay, let's cross the street. Yeah, you see that? Around here is quite busy. They're just really good. Hello, brother. Oh, busy. So many people there. That's good. Quite busy, eh? Okay, let me show you how the situation at the moment on Legian Street a little bit. Yeah, let's exploring how the situation at the moment on Padma Street. Oh, sorry, on Legian Street. Okay, let's see how the situation at the moment on Legian Street also. Quite busy. It's good. Look cool. Looks so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Behind me. Hello, how are you, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Welcome to Bali.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
The weather's so beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
I heard in Perth it's like cold at the moment in Perth,
Cold,
Australia.
Not warm, yes.
Yeah, it's good to be here.
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah, right. Because
Oh.
so many people missing Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For who? What's your name?
Bali Travel Vlog in my YouTube.
All right. I have seen that. Yeah. I've seen that one, yeah.
Bali Travel Vlog with yeah, a
Yeah.
red one. Yeah.
I have seen. Yeah.
Okay then, have a good day. Wah, mau pergi okay? Kau ada di situ. Okay, I saw you. Apa ini? Yeah, this is Duffy's brother, and I will show you how look like inside Duffy's brother. Well, this is quite nice, cool. You know, so hard to be here. Air conditioning everywhere, and big screen everywhere also. They're just really good. Yeah, let me show you how look like inside. Yeah, it's quite big area, isn't it? I mean, like the room is quite big, and so also there is a lot big screen in this office. That's good. Wow, you can play sport here, even play tennis. Big area, and this big screen. That's good. Welcome to Bali. Yeah, welcome to Bali, eh? Enjoy the cold bintang. It's nice to be here. Air conditioning. Don't worry, it's not going to be hard here. They're just good. Hi brother, welcome to Bali. Where'd you come from? G'day mate. So many people go to sport bar to see the competition and things. Yeah, in 6 o'clock they say.
Go to Blues.
Yeah, go Blues. They're right. Okay then, enjoy your bintang, eh? Duffy's brother. Yeah. So what do you think about Duffy's brother? Just so good, isn't it? Air conditioning, what the big screen, just so nice, just so beautiful there. You can enjoy. Hello, G'day mate. Hi brother. Yeah, now I will concentrate again and keep exploring Raya Legian Street. Bagus, bagus.
Hey, 100%
Bagus,
off.
hi. 100% off.
Anything.
Free plastic. Free plastic.
No, only 50% off anything.
100%. 100% off. That's good. Good choice. Okay, brother. Enjoy your holiday in Bali. Oh, my sister. My sister. Sorry, I just say. Where do you come from?
Australian. Gold Coast.
G'day, my wow, beautiful beach down there.
This one my brother.
Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
You look so pretty. And beautiful smile. Woo. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know how the situation at the moment in Padma area. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.